Today's video tutorial, I'll show you how to create a two-layer video or perhaps a split screen video type using the PIP tool and the mask tool. This is the Filmora video editor app. Let's get started. So if you want two videos like this here playing at the same time with some of the content on either side showing, here's what you can do now to do this here. Starting from the home screen page of the Filmora editor here, you'll go with new project, then go to video, and you want to select the video that you want to start off with, okay? Make sure they're both matching the same aspect ratio, the same video scale size. So we'll start with this here. You can long press it to preview it. So just for demonstration purposes, we'll start with this here. So this will be your base video. This is going to be the one that's going to be underneath your bottom layer video. Then make sure this is at the starting point here, and you'll go to where it says PIP or the overlay tool right there. Once you select that here, make sure you're under the video section, and then you'll be able to choose your next video. Once again, make sure they're matching aspect ratios or same video scale size. So you can long press once again to preview. And if that's your decision, select it, press the check mark, and that's going to appear here for you. You can now go ahead and choose to increase the size of this added video and make sure it just fills up the entire video frame here. And then from here now, with the bottom video, this one here, the one you just added here, the top layer, which is going to be appearing to the bottom of the timeline here, these set of tools will appear. So you'll go over to mask now, and this is going to allow you to create a little split screen here and separate the two videos. So we'll go to mask, go with the liner one here. That's your best bet. And of course you can choose the others if you want to, but this here now, and you'll take your fingers and rotate this. And by pulling on this little tab right here, notice this little circle white tab right there. I don't know if you can see that. If you pull on this here, that's going to kind of have them both fade into each other. So you notice how that's like that. So that's going to give you that dual layer there. And it doesn't have to be exactly how I have it, but just giving you an idea of how the mask can help you do this. And once you're done, of course, before saving it, make sure they're both matching the same time duration so that they would stop at the same time and have that same effect from the beginning to the very end, all right? And you'll have this here. Okay? Now, the other way to do this here, layering the two videos, you can use the blend tool here, but that's going to require the paid version, okay? So without using the mask, you can have them blend in together, but that's going to require the paid version, all right? So that's that, like I said.